Hello and welcome to how to change a PayPal text environment to real payment. And this is a website process that we show download, and we will open go into this show download folder here. And after that, we will look for a card folder and go into this. Inside a card folder, we will go into ASEC folder. And we open PayPal multiple items from ASEC.bsv file and open up in a texture. And we will go online 27 and we will add a PHP comment for this text environment just using this, and we give this slash and also do a same for this variable. And after that, we will somehow fill line on a taxi one, and we will unlock this PayPal URL. This is a real payment service. This, and we will unlock this basic command here. And PayPal URL PayPal.com. Not have sandbox here. And business email. This is equal to your PayPal business email here. And this is we will change it to your PayPal business account. For example, my PayPal account is PayPal business account is CISO, and CP3. This is my PayPal business account here, and we will change give this your PayPal business account here, and after that we will save the file. And we have finished for set PayPal multiple PayPal account on PayPal multiple item from ASEC.bsv file. And the next thing that we need to do, we will open a web browser, and on a location Malaysia PayPal.com, hit enter, and appear PayPal page, and we list on login button. And we will use a PayPal business account, and this is my PayPal business account here, and password, my password. And after we have lost, we need to PayPal page, and we will list on free live button, and we list on a setting menu here, and list on account setting. And on our account setting page, we at the left sidebar, and we look for website payment menu here, and link that. Website payment page, we will look for website preferences section. Bring customer back to my website after they pay with PayPal, and we will list on update link. And on our website payment preferences, we will show out to our return return button, and on return URL field, we will give this your domain name, and in this case my domain name is mychico.com, and slash PayPal and successful login specified. And after that we will click on the save button. Yes. And we scroll down and go to payment data transfer here, and click on button. Do that. And on block non with special payment we will choose off. This on the off player button. And on a PayPal account option here, and we change it to on. And contact form we will choose up payment recommend this option here. Do this. And at average setting session we will choose no relevant. We will go back and we go to update again, and you see, and as you see, this has changed to everything has sale on this website payment preferences page. Okay, we have done for this show. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video.